Besides being at the center of a storm around a supposed vanity van worth rupees 2 crore parked in proximity to the venue of demonstration, the founder of Jan Suraj Party, Prashant Kishore, is hungry indefinitely since the last 5 days at Patna's Gandhi Maidan in place of his purported hunger strike. The extremely lavish vehicle is attracting much attention rather than what it's all about, paying heed to the cause that has brought people out to the streets. Controversy: Kishore, who is agitating for an alleged irregularity in the 70th Integrated Combined Competitive Examination (CCE) conducted by the Bihar Public Service Commission (BPSC), made a statement about using the vehicle. I am on a fast here. If I go home to relieve myself, then journalists will ask questions about whether I went to have food or to take a nap. Kishore explained. He dismissed reports claiming the van's rent to be rupees 25 lakh per day, adding, "Let this van be taken away and in return give me rupees 25 lakh per day and an alternative space that can be used as a washroom." A protest in focus. The hunger strike began on Thursday evening, with Kishore demanding the cancellation of the December 13 CCE due to allegations of a question paper leak. Students groups have rallied around this demand, pointing to a larger issue of accountability in competitive exams. Despite the controversy, Kishore remains steadfast, using the protest as a platform to highlight systemic failures in Bihar's examination process. Questioning the media's priorities, Kishore also took a jab at the media for sensationalizing the van's presence rather than focusing on the demands of the protest. Will you question Prime Minister Narendra Modi or Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar about the amenities they enjoy? He asked, challenging the double standards in public discourse, political and legal repercussions. The opposition leaders like Congress leader Rahul Gandhi have also supported the protest by backing students' demands. Meanwhile, Patna police have lodged an FIR against Kishore and his supporters because of the illegality associated with the protest. The bigger picture: while the vanity van controversy has added drama to the protest, it raises larger questions. Are such debates distracting from the core issues of the protest? Should practical conveniences for protest leaders be scrutinized, or are they a necessary part of modern demonstrations? How does this controversy reflect on states' response to legitimate grievances? As Kishore's hunger strike continues, the focus must shift back to the students' demands and the integrity of public examinations. The vanity van may provide momentary relief, but the true relief will come from addressing systemic failures.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.